Kung nais ninyong lumipat ng upuan, agad na ipagbigay alam sa inyong mga cabin crew. Isang karangalan na kami ay makapaglingkod sa inyo ngayong araw na ito.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your flight PR2P2557 bound for Dipolog. Welcome.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
Good day, everyone! Now we will go to Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. So please join me on my next business venture. So here we go!
Silig-siglap sa adlaw, sa yusak sa bunta. Masupunta ang katao, maning
Dipolog is a component city and capital of Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. Geographically, the city is surrounded by rolling hills to the southeast and the Sulu Sea to the north. Dipolog is known for its wild orchids and its sardine industry, which stems from the rich fishing area of its shores. It is known as the gateway to Western Mindanao through the Western Nautical Highway and has also been called the battled sardines capital of the Philippines.
The plane left and approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you.
Dipolog can be reached by plane via Dipolog Airport or by ferry at the Galas Port in Barangay Galas or at nearby Pulawan Port in Dapitan. The development of the Port of Dipolog, a roll-on roll-off facility at Barangay Galas, will allow for the eventual transfer of the service to Dipolog while retaining inter-island operations at Pulawan, which is a base port.
Ikaw man ang hinungdan, huwag na ingnan ni ining tanan. Misaad ka, mubalik ka, human sa unong kabulan. Sa pagsanig kong hilabihan, nisukot kong imong biyaan. Apan sa himan-himan, imura kong gikalimtan. Ayaw pagsad kung dili mo matuman para di ka masalikan. Doon naman tatay kisabutan, unta tumanon na to ang tanan. Ako kang gisuportahan para sa imong kaayuhan. Dili lang tani mo hikalimtan, nga doon na tayo gipanumpaan. Nganong imo man kong gibiyahan, imo pagyud kong gipasalikan. Nga magkontakay ta sa WeChat, sa Skype ug sa Facebook. Kung motawag ko, kontaktin ka.
Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video.